Are your herbs getting enough light every day in your indoor hydroponic garden? Hey everyone, welcome back to the Grow Hydro Herbs channel. I'm Mike, your host. Today we're going to tackle an important topic for all of you indoor gardeners out there: how to measure the daily light integral, or DLI, and why you should care. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit subscribe and ring that notification bell so you never miss a tip for growing healthy herbs indoors. Now, let's dive in. So, what exactly is DLI? Well, in simple terms, DLI measures the total number of photons, or particles of light, that your plants receive throughout the day. Think of it as the daily dose of light your herbs need to stay healthy and grow strong. DLI is measured in moles of photons per square meter per day. Now, why should you care about DLI? Understanding how much light your herbs receive helps you optimize your indoor lighting, ensuring your plants get exactly what they need to thrive. Too little light can lead to poor growth, resulting in weak, leggy plants that struggle to thrive. On the other hand, too much light can stress your plants, causing leaf burn, stunted growth, or even nutrient deficiencies. To understand DLI, we need to talk about ppfd, photosynthetic photon flux density. ppfd measures the number of photons hitting a square meter every second, expressed in micromoles per square meter per second. To calculate DLI, you first need to measure ppfd. This tells you how intense the light is right now, at any given moment. Alright, let's get into how to calculate DLI. If you have a ppfd reading, you multiply that by the number of seconds your lights are on each day. The formula looks like this. It sounds complicated, but don't worry. You can use an online DLI calculator. Check the description for a link to ours. This makes the math super easy. Just input your ppfd value and the hours your lights are on, and voila! You have your DLI. Most of us indoor gardeners use DLI calculators available online. You just enter the ppfd value and the hours of light per day, and these handy tools will calculate the DLI for you. This is especially useful if you're using LED grow lights or other artificial lights, which let you control the amount and duration of light your plants receive. You measure ppfd using a quantum light meter, which can be had for under $100. Links in the description below. By measuring DLI, you're not guessing if your herbs have enough light, they're getting exactly the right amount. Too little light can lead to poor growth, and too much can stress your plants. The goal here is balance. Adjusting your light schedule to achieve the right DLI ensures your plants are happy and growing well. And honestly, happy plants mean happy gardeners, right? Full-spectrum LED grow lights are great for indoor herbs because they provide the right light intensity and spectrum. Measuring DLI helps you use these lights more efficiently, adjusting the duration and intensity for each type of herb. There are links in the description to our articles on full-spectrum LED grow lights. So there you have it, a quick guide on how to measure daily light integral and why it matters for your indoor garden. If you found this helpful, be sure to like this video and drop a comment below if you have questions. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips on indoor hydroponic gardening. Also, if you want to explore more about optimizing light for your herbs, check out the links in the description. Thanks for watching, and until next time, this is Mike remind you all to keep growing.